hello there. This video explains how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Nissan Micra K11. Specifically, the type of blade that sits here towards the bottom of the window and is fitted to later examples of the vehicle. The earlier cars have a different setup. Anyway, to get started, pull the wiper arm and of course the blade itself off the window. Next, twist the blade to form the letter T. Now, push the blade in the direction of the arrow to release it. You might have to push fairly hard. Let's now fit the new blade. Note first this tubular bar in its centre. The bar connects to this corresponding cutout on the wiper arm. So, push the tip of the wiper arm through this hole in the blade, then line up the tubular bar with the cutout. Now, pull the blade and the wiper arm together like this, until you hear a satisfying click. Next, fold the arm and the blade back onto the window, and finally clean the rear window to confirm everything works. If it does, have a party to celebrate. And that's it. That's how to fit a rear wiper blade to a Nissan Micra K11. Now, if you have any questions, by all means ask me in the comment section. You might also like to subscribe to my channel. Why bother? Because there's all kinds of interesting content, even if I do say so myself. Right, that's all for now. What's that still doing here?